Welcome to Play PKN, the weekly video bulletin of the top news stories on PKN Packaging News, Australia's media hub for the packaging industry. I'm PKN's publisher, Lindy Hewson, and this week's episode is brought to you by APMA, the peak industry body representing Australia's packaging and processing machinery and allied components companies. Well, this week we begin in Queensland, where Suntory has officially opened its $400 million beverage production facility in Swanbank, a purpose-built, carbon-neutral site designed to deliver high-speed, high-efficiency packaging through world-class automation and sustainable design. The launch coincides with the formation of Suntory Oceania, which is a new $3 billion multi-beverage business that brings together Frucor Suntory and Beam Suntory. The 17-hectare Swanbank site offers end-to-end manufacturing for 40 beverage brands, including big names like Jim Beam, Canadian Club, V Energy and Suntory Boss. 2 high-speed canning lines and a multi-format bottling line from Crohn's and a kegging line from KHS provide the backbone of the facility's advanced packaging operations. The numbers are really quite impressive. From 3D palletizers, the system can deliver 90,000 cans per hour to the fillers, a rate that can be doubled with future upgrades. The glass line accommodates 5 bottle formats and enables a full depalletized to dispatch process in just 25 minutes. Case packing occurs every 2 seconds and line changeovers have been engineered for speed and automation, supporting up to 60 different SKUs with minimal downtime. The facility is designed to produce 20 million cases annually, scaling to 50 million as demand grows. In corporate news, Pact Group will delist from the ASX on Wednesday, the 16th of July, following Executive Chair Rafael Geminder's multi-year bid to take the company private. Shareholders have until Monday to trade before suspension. Meanwhile, in other news from Pact, the company has committed to ambitious new environmental targets to achieve net zero emissions and eliminate single-use plastic packaging. Pact's Impact 2030 targets released yesterday include to achieve net zero emissions by 2050, with significant progress made by 2030, and to ensure 100% of its portfolio is recyclable with 30% average recycled content in all of its packaging by 2030. Turning now to fibre packaging, Doggett has announced an exclusive partnership with CMPC, a global pulp and paper producer, to expand its local folding boxboard range. The agreement marks the return of CMPC to the Doggett supply network and includes the reintroduction of RC Craft, a high-strength coated kraft backboard designed for print performance and shelf impact. Produced in Chile and targeted at sectors including food, pharma, cosmetics and personal care, the expanded offering will be available from October this year. Next, some news from South Australia, where the government is delaying its planned ban on plastic stickers on fresh produce. The ban would have required the use of compostable labels certified to Australian standards. Originally set to begin on the 1st of September, the ban has been paused following growers' feedback about cost, limited compostable alternatives, and inconsistent national labelling rules. Over to Victoria now, where Viva Energy has unveiled PlasVe, a new brand for its polypropylene products manufactured at the company's Geelong refinery. PlasVe includes the PlasVe Bio, a line of bio-based polymers made using used cooking oil as feedstock, a process recently proven at scale through a trial that processed 9.5 tonnes of pyrolysis oil. As Australia's only domestic polypropylene producer, Viva Energy says the move cements its role in the circular economy. And before we go, some recognition for packaging printers from across the Tasman. At the 2025 Pride in Print Awards in New Zealand, Gravure Packaging took home the Gravure Process Award for its Boring Oat Milk Barista Shrink Sleeve. That's the brand that's called Boring, not the work. And Logan Print claimed the top prize in the labels category for its precision work on fresh and fruity Greek raspberry in-mold labels for yogurt. Well, that is all we have time for today, folks. For more on these and other stories, you know where to go, packagingnews.com.au. And thank you, as ever, for watching.